Hello! Let's review our phonics sounds together. The sound of sh, ch, th, or the. This one's special. It has two sounds. It's the or th. Alright, let's get started. Sh, sh, sh. She, sh, shut, shut. Look, it's Mario. Sh. Oh, wish. Wish. Ah, sometimes it's in the back, at the end of the word. Wish. Next one. Sh. Ooh. Fish. Next sound. Hello, princess. Ch. In. Chin. Ick. Chick. Let's keep on going. Chat. Oh, it's toad. Do you know toad? Ease. Cheese. Do you like to eat cheese? Touch. Watch. Woo. Inch. Woohoo. Next sound. The. This is a tricky sound. The. Oh. The. This. This. This one's tricky. You don't say this because it's a sight word. So you say this. They. Next sound. Now it's still TH, but it's pronounced th because different words have different pronunciations. Th. With. Next one. Thin. In. Thin. thick, thick. Toad's pan's in the way. But do you know what letter he's covering? It's a K. Thick, thick. All right, move your pan. I think we're done. You guys did great. Good job. Okay, next, let's work on our worksheet. Okay, let's do our review. Okay. Make sure you download the sheet if you can't find it or if you don't have it. All right, let's start. Okay, over here, listen and write. Trace these words or these sounds and then fill it in the blank. So first one here, we have sh, sh, and ch, ch. So number one, which sound do you hear? Fill it in the blank. W-ish, wish, wish. Number two, ch-in, chin, chin. Number three, ch-at, chat, chat. And number four, sh-e, she, she. Make sure you pause the video if you feel that I'm going too fast. All right, let's go down to the next part. Ooh, match the word you hear. Match the word you hear. Okay, let's do this one. Da, 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 da. So look, we have ch, sh, ut, and an at. So, ooh, this you're gonna match this side with this side. So let's do one together. Let's do the word sh, ut, shut. So which one's sh? So right here, sh. And which one's ut? Ut. Is it this one or that one? Ut. Ah, it's right here. U-T. So you go like this. Sh, ut, shut. Okay, number two. Oh, I made this one easier for you guys. This is th. In. Th. In. Which one's thin? Where do I draw that line? Is it chew here, here, or here? Th. In. Thin. Okay. Let's go to number three. W. I. Th. With. With. Which one's with? With. With. Here, here, or here. Next one, last one. The. 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 This one's a sight words. The. Do I draw a line to this one? T-H-A-B-C? Or T-H-E, the? Or S-H-E? Or S-H-A-B-C? Which one is it? The. Okay, great. Let's draw a picture together. I am hungry. Let's draw something to eat. Okay? Let's draw a hamburger. Do you guys like hamburger? Let's get started. Let me see. I'm going to start with a brown. Let's draw a hamburger. Choo. Okay, Okay, let's draw a semicircle right here. Okay. And then draw a curved line down here. There we go. That's the top bun. That's the top bun. And then here, let's draw this. Look. This, draw a line like this, and a line like this. Okay, you see that? This is going to be a piece of cheese. And then let's draw a beef patty right here. Boom. Okay. And let's have a piece of tomato sticking out right here. And have some lettuce sticking out right here. Yeah, let's keep some vegetables right there. And you know, because I'm pretty hungry, I'm gonna have another piece of beef patty right here. It's like a double cheeseburger. Let's have some more vegetables right here. And let's add one more piece of cheese right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another piece of cheese right here. And then here's the bottom bun. Okay. Wow. That looks really good. Actually, you can't tell. We have to color it now, okay? So let's color the bun. Let's color it light brown. Gently, okay? Okay, I'm going to keep the bottom here, this part, a little bit darker and lighter up here. So let's keep the color a little bit darker down here. And let's blend it up. Okay, let's keep it like that for now. And then let's add, let's color the cheese, okay? What color is the cheese? Yellow. Let's choose a nice yellow. This yellow is a little too bright. I'm going to use a more orangey yellow. Let's try this color here. Let's add a little bit orange to this yellow. There we go. Now for the beef patty. The beef patty, let's use a dark brown. There we go. And then we had this slice of tomato right here. Let's color it red. We had some lettuce right here. We had some more lettuce down here. Oh, and then cheese down there. Color a light layer of orange. Let's add some yellow into there. Let's color this bun. There we go. Okay, but you know what? This doesn't really quite pop yet, so let's add more color to it. So, get fixed it. Let's add some outline. For green, I'm going to use like a dark green to outline. Do you see that? Makes a huge difference. And there we go, our yummy double cheeseburger. I just want to eat this. Actually, I'm gonna go find a real burger now. Okay, I'm hungry. Okay, I'll see you guys.